Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to play around with more new makeup. I did a haul last week. I believe it was last Wednesday. I will link that up in the iCards if you are interested. I did use some new products in Sunday's video, so if you haven't seen that as well, I will link that up in the iCards as well, so you guys can take a look at some of the products that I used there. Today I want to do another first impressions like I did on Sunday of two more products. First off being the Maybelline Puma collaboration. This is called the Knockout. Very pretty. I've been dying to put this on my face. So let's just take this thing off. It's driving me crazy. So that's what this one looks like here. We're going to put that on. And then I'm going to play with the BH Color Festival palette, which is the sister to the Weekend Festival from last year. At least that's my take on it. It's the same exact setup, just different shades, different finishes, and you're getting a lot of more glitter flex type of eyeshadows. This is so pretty. I cannot wait. I am going to do a comparison from this one from the Weekend Festival palette, so stay tuned for that in the future because I will be doing swatches and comparisons just in case you are interested in one and you didn't get the other one. So let's start out with this highlighter. I'm going to go ahead and just put this on. I have everything else on my face, obviously. Oh, that is pretty. If you like the Maybelline highlighters, you're going to like this one. You definitely have to buff this in because it is very reflective. So I like to buff in these. And you don't get a lot of fallout, like kick up or fallout on these. Very pretty. I'm pretty sure it's going to last just as long as the other ones. Look how pretty that is. Can you guys see that? It's very pretty. And it buffs in really nicely. So far I'm liking it. I already like the formula of that highlighter, so I already know I'm going to like it. I kind of dig it. Let me see. From a distance, it looks really nice. Up close, you could, if you don't buff it in, you're going to see texture if you don't. So I'm going to pull this one out because I always keep this one on my desk. If you have not seen any comparison videos, I'm going to show you real quick what last year's and let me not blind you. This is this year's, and then obviously the other one is last year's. There is some shadows that look similar, but you get different finishes, and I feel like in the new one you're getting more glittery, metallic-y type of shadows. Can you guys see that? So just by looking at it, that pink that I thought was a dupe is not. It's the one in the new one is more purple, and the one in the old one is more pink. The golds are different. Yeah, it's different, you guys. It's similar but different. Maybe Trance, the blue one, is the only one that I would say is like very close to each other, which is this one right here. Very similar to this one right here. But other than that, even the lighter shades are very different. So you're not getting the same exact palette that you did last year. Very pretty. So let's play around with this one because I'm dying to get in here. I don't know what look I'm going to do, as I normally say, but let me try to pick a lid shade and then we'll take it from there. Alright, so I've been dying to play with Candy, which is this one right here. It looks so pretty. It's very metallic-y pink with some glitter in it. So we're going to start out with Pop, which is this one. It's a matte pinky purple. It's a cool toned matte pink with purple in it. So we're going to put this in our crease as our transition shade. As you can see, it's actually pretty light. So we're going to pop this on. I am very excited to have this palette. This just gave me the same excitement as the last year one because it's just, oh, these are so pretty. I love palettes like this. So we're going to pop this in. It's the same formula as last year, so far it's looking really good. The matte blended out really nicely. I had no issues with it at all. Look how pretty that is. Okay, now for the actual outer V and crease, I'm going to go in with Sequence, which is different from last year's pink one. Last year's was more vibrant fuchsia pink. This has purple hues to it, so it's like a purpley pink. Maybe I'll do a blue lid. Blue and pink, maybe I'll do that. Ooh, that'll be fun. Oh, but that's like, I don't know. I keep changing my mind, you guys. Oh no, I'll do this one. Yeah, I'll do that one. All right, I just changed my mind on the lid shade. Don't mind me. So this is another matte, and it is working very nicely as expected, if this is the same formula as last year's palette. You do get powder kick up from what I'm seeing. It's not a lot if you are not heavy-handed with your shadows. I'm not heavy-handed with my shadows. I am actually very gentle, hence the reason why it takes me forever to hit pan on any eyeshadow, because I am not one that swirls or digs my brush in my shadows. Like you would look at my palettes and you think that I never use them because I'm just so gentle with them. That's just how I am. I'm light-handed with all of my products because I don't want to look like a clown. So let me just blend out the edges as I would always do with all of my shadows. And then, oh, decisions. I stick with Candy. Let me swatch them. Okay, so Candy is, ooh, that's like an orange shade. So these are the two shades that I'm debating on. Either Electronic, which is the green one, or Candy. I think I'm going to go with Candy. Candy, when you swatch it, is that dupe for Fireball from Urban Decay. It's a pink with a peachy twist to it. It's so pretty. Yeah, I knew I was going to like Candy. Alright, so I don't know if I'm going to need a glitter glue with this one. It is a sheer type of shadow. It's not opaque, so I'm going to have to build this one up. I can already tell, but I will let you guys know, obviously, if you need a glitter glue, because I am going to be wearing this all day. And I do have to run errands per usual. I have to go to the post office and Bed Bath & Beyond to finish my door so I can film my beauty room tour. So I'm sure I'm going to get some looks, and that's okay. Alrighty, it is beautiful, you guys. The shadow is amazing. I think I'm going to be using this palette forever for a while. Just like the BH one. I just couldn't stop using that one last year. I actually pulled it out to keep it on my vanity to use it again this year. Not expecting BH to come out with another one. That's beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. I'm going to go back in with Sequence and just blend in more on the edges and on the outer part. Oh, this is so pretty. This is so pretty, you guys. Seriously. Oh, that is gorgeous. You guys, like, I am in love. Head over heels. All right. Now for the lower lash line. Oh, should I stick with the pink or go with that? No, let's just stick with the pink. So I'm just going to grab more of that Sequence and put it in the outer part right here. And then same thing with the other side. Not bringing it all the way in. I don't like to bring it all the way into the inner corner in the summer. In the winter, I don't mind because I do more sultry looks. In the summer, I want to keep my eye open and colorful, so I don't go all the way in. At least with the matte, a dark shade. For the inner corner, I'm going to grab the color Banger. Have I been showing you what I've been doing? So this is Candy, the one I used all over my lid. Gorgeous shade. This one is the pop shade that I originally used. Sequence, which is what I've been using in my outer V. And now I'm going to grab Banger, which is this one. It's like a soft baby pink with shimmer in it. and I'm going to use that in my inner corner. So that's too big. All right, so we're gonna grab Banger. I'm gonna put this in the inner corner here. Ooh, that turned out to be more of like a goldy pink. I'm gonna bring that a little bit on my lower lash line. That turned out to be more of a gold pink. Pretty though. All right, you guys, so that is so far the look of it. I'm going to do my lashes, wing liner, and then I'll come back to show you the final look with the lips. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. I could not be more excited about this palette. Like, I love this palette, and now to have this one, I can see myself doing a million things with this eyeshadow palette. Like this electric one, I'm dying. This whole row of sultry, metallic-y shades, I'm so excited for. This blue one I really wanted to use. You are going to see a million looks with this, you guys. I think the next thing I want to do with this is a palette bingo, just to see what comes up and what I can do with this palette. I love this palette. You guys know that I raved about this one last year. I actually just pulled this out this past week to keep it up on my desk, to use it more because I want to use it for the spring and summer. And now when they came out with this one, if you wanted this one and never got it, I would suggest this one. Just by first impressions, you guys, I'm just so excited. I have not been excited about a palette like this since this one came out. And it's just so pretty. Oh my goodness, BH. If they keep doing these as a series, I'm going to get them every year because I think they're so much fun. For 20 shadows, I think this was like $16. And Ulta has it as well as BH has it. And I'm pretty sure Kohl's will have it. So you'll have different places where you can get it. This sold out quickly. So if you want this one, I would highly recommend get it quick, because it will probably sell out just as quickly as this one did. That's just my first impressions, you guys. I will, like I always do with all of my first impressions, I'm going to follow up with you guys. I did my It's My Ray Ray tutorial, I think on Sunday. I'm also going to be playing around with that one more to give you guys a full review on that one as well. If you're wondering what I did with my lips, I ended up using the Anastasia liquid lipstick. I think I only own 3 of these, and this was gifted to me by my friend Lisa. This is called Catnip. So I put this on. I thought it worked perfectly well with this. And then I topped it off with my honeycomb lipstick. I'll put it in the center. I also went with like demi wispies today instead of dramatic lashes, because I really want that shade. What is it called again? Because that shade is amazing. Candy. That shade Candy. You guys, I love it. I am in love with it. I can see myself using it with turquoise. I can see myself using it with purple, green look. Oh my gosh, the possibilities. All right, you guys. So I just wanted to get on here quickly and share with you guys, because this palette just has blown me out of the water again, and I'm just in love with it. I'm going to use it like crazy. I love it. See, and this is the best part of me being on a low buys. I can actually use it and enjoy it because I don't have to buy everything and then put it away. I am so excited to use it. So anyway, I will link it down below, and anything else that I shared with you guys today that I put on my face. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys most likely with a video tomorrow. And don't forget that a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Bye, guys.